Hello and welcome to If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Today we're going to learn how to draw Jesus using the letter L, the S, and this little shape. Look. Can you do something like that? Perfect. The letter V and circle. Or we can call it the letter O. Shall we begin? Let's do it. Let's begin with the L shape over here. L, like that. Now another L, like that. And do another L, smaller. And another. Oh, we might need the letter C. And from here we do the C, like that. Now, we also need another shape which is lowercase l, like that. So we're gonna do it here, like so. And the letter V, but sideways, like so. Circle, like that. C on the nose, facing downwards and then opposite. Now, let's do the letter C, actually the letter S here, like this, and then the letter C, and over here we're going to do a big C, like that, and then this particular shape which I've asked you to do, which is like this. Okay, let's do it one more time here. And let's continue this particular shape at the bottom, like so. Let's do the letter S one more time from here, like this, and then two lines, lowercase l, this and like this. Okay, now choose the eraser. I'm gonna erase here a little bit, and a little more S, the S that we have here. Oh, actually it's more like this shape, like that, like that. Same thing here. A little bit here, a little bit here, like this. Oh, there's one more letter, which is the letter Y, and we're gonna use it right here. Y. And then the C here. And then let's do this lowercase l, but in this shape right here. And letter C over here. And then the letter O. And in here, what we're going to do is we're gonna make Jesus smile a little bit upwards, like this, because it's the resurrection. Jesus has overcome death. Now, what's this? Let's begin the coloring process. I feel like the screen can be brighter. Let's begin by coloring the hair. With a brown color. Making the brush stroke a little bit thicker. And we can do the outline like we've done many times. The katapim katapum step. Let's continue. And from here we grab it and we drop it. Wait, what? Grab it. Where did it go wrong? Oh, I see. Here. Need to fill every gap. Let's do it one more time. There we go. For skin tone, we're going to go. I guess more like so. I think. I mean, there was no sunscreen back then, so I imagine she's just being a little bit more darker than what we see in current portrait illustrations. So I'm choosing this color. And then for some reason most of the Jesus portrait has him with a red I don't know what this thing is called, but something red right here. And there you go. We got Jesus Christ. I'll actually put this at the top. Set it to opacity. Set it to multiply. Add some basic look. Perhaps it could be a little darker. Yeah. You can draw. You're a child of God, full of glee with every sketch. Set your spirit free. Just randomly placing into places, assuming that the sun is coming this way, right? Boop, boop. And we got Jesus Christ. We have drawn Jesus Christ successfully using simple letters such as L, which can be found here. We also use lowercase l for places such as right here and right here. And we use the letter S for places such as here and here. And also use this particular shape in areas such as right here and right here, and adding details here. We also use the letter V for the eye, and we use the letter O. Wait, what? Oh. The letter O for right here, and need to find a way. And we use the letter Y for right here. And yeah, so this was used right here, and then the letter C was used here, 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 and then here. Therefore, as I've said many times, if you can write, you can draw. Wait, what? Jesus, you wanna tell us something? What could it be? Well, I have an idea. And maybe I'm wrong this time because this is for Easter. Therefore, Jesus would have said something like
In every picture, let love grow. In
um,
every stroke, let kindness show you're a
the
creator.
way,
Don't you know if you can run to
the
peace,
truth.
you'll shine.
Oops.
Draw a smile, paint a hug, fill your world with endless love. With every scribble, feel the grace. In every moment, find your place.
Life.
If you can write, you
And,
can draw your child.
and of course,
With every
if
step,
you
feel the breeze. In
can
every moment, find
write,
your
you
place.
can draw. Thank you and 감사합니다. Much love.
Let your imagination soar in every drawing, find joy.